Okay, so what we're doing today is a real quick update on, or real quick, small, whatever, update on the RSA converter portion of the bulk certificate creation process. So on that note, make sure that your Docker compose file is formatted correctly. Oh, I see an error like I just had there. I'm not going to make you watch this download, so I'm going to pause it and I'll come back. And it's extracting. It's almost done. There we go. Pew pew. Okay, so there's our output. I changed the DNS entries, the host entries from last time. They're now the host in the US of North America, haha, with some different DNS names. So we'll come into data. Those are the hosts that you just saw a second ago. Go into final. Within a final, there's a folder called out for that GUID, B, so on and so forth. What we're looking at in here is basically that it's only those keys. And we're going to change this convert keys to a 1, but you notice this other same GUID on my luggage. Joke for you from Spaceballs. If we grab this GUID and that way it knows what GUID to create the keys for. And we run again. It will convert those keys into a different format, a special format that we need to work. I need to do the same thing for certificates, but I need a sample certificate to know what that conversion is. So anyway, we can just come in here to final out. Yeah. Well, not a slash though. Take that off. So there's begin private key, right? And this one is begin RSA private key. So I need to do the same thing for certificates, I think. But everything's contained inside the Docker container, a Docker image. So if dependencies change, we don't lose functionality. And it's a little confusing, a little more confusing than it was last week to use, but the reason for that is because of the ability to pass in the GUID and the keys. These three things are new, those three values. That's basically it. And the convert certs is not done yet. But like I said, I need to work on that one. That's it. Say hi to my sunflower, and deuces.